So comparing and contrasting both assessments, I think they're both very accurate. One of them said I was SFFJ, an extrovert, sensor, feeler, judger, which I completely agree. That's the one that was the personality test, and that's the one that was, I think, the easiest. It was the one with the four sections, and so you had to go off of what you thought you were the most, and that would give you, whether you were an extrovert or an introvert. That one I found really easy. I kind of wanted to just click on, either extrovert or introvert instead of just going down the list and trying to figure out which one I'm most likely. But I did kind of find myself clicking on the part where it said, are you confident or not very confident? And so I found that kind of strange because I thought I knew myself pretty well. Even though the results came out correct as far as I'm concerned, I did click on not very confident on, I think, 2 or 3, just because I thought I was both lists. But I ended up getting the results. That one says that I'm very concerned with the needs of others and I like to help in real practical ways, which is absolutely true. Sometimes I think I help a little too much, or I make myself available a little too much. For the other test, the temperament test, I am a guardian, and more specifically a guardian provider. It says they are not very comfortable with winging it. Absolutely true. I don't want to wing it. I want to prepare. Guardians are meticulous about schedules. That's totally me. Schedules and lists, that's the way I work. Providers take it upon themselves to ensure the health and welfare of those in their care. Their friendly social service is a key to their nature. So I think these both were very accurate. As far as the functionality, I think they're both pretty easy, but one was really long. I do have to admit that. And I found myself being given maybe 2 options or 2 or 3, and I didn't lean more towards one or the other. So that was a little off for me. So as far as comparing and contrasting, I think one is shorter and easier, and it gives you a lot of easy ways to. It gives you an easy way to remember your results. Like I said, the ESFJ, because I'm an extrovert, sensor, feeler, judger. But the other one, if you have more time, I think it's good. Maybe not for kids. I don't know if they'd be able to sit through that for that long. One of the things I did like about both is that it said something along the lines of, please complete the assessment. Think about how you are most naturally. Don't think about how you wish you were or how others expect you to be. I think that's really important because a lot of times we kind of want to click on the things that we think we should be or we think other people think of us. And so just kind of answer a little more truthfully and whatever comes to mind first and more natural. Thank you.